What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. If you are subscribed to this channel, then you may know that I have a girlfriend Eva who has a thing for pools. So when she moved from LA to Nashville, the very first thing she asked me to do was get her pool looking clean and ready. So doing what I had to do for her, I did my research and picked up a few solid pool cleaners for her. Today, we are going to talk about two of the best robotic pool cleaners from that lineup. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Starting with the Talosbo S2. Yeah, this one takes a very different approach, making it more suitable for smaller specs or above ground setups. It uses a dual layer filtration system with a 40 ppi sponge and a 180 micron filter, allowing it to capture both the debris and larger particles. The cleaning pattern is straightforward, working best in open areas without obstacles. Even when it bumps into something, it adjusts its path and reroutes to continue cleaning. That's really an amazing feature considering the price of this Talosbo S2. Power comes from a dual motor system, ensuring stable and efficient cleaning performance. With a runtime up to 90 minutes and a charging time of 2.5 hours, it fits well into quick daily cleaning routines. The auto return feature brings it back to the pool edge when the battery drops below 15%. At just 3 kilograms, it is easy to lift, and it is one of those tools that requires minimal maintenance while delivering strong performance. Well, as we are talking about two different robot vacuum pool cleaners, who actually should choose which one? I think the C1 suits larger or more complex pools where full coverage while cleaning and longer runtime are needed. The S2 fits smaller, flat pools, offering a lightweight and simple way to maintain cleanliness without extra setup or advanced controls. Now let's talk about the Talosbo C1. This is clearly the more advanced cleaner in the lineup. It comes with a triple motor system designed to handle both floor and wall cleaning, delivering strong and consistent suction throughout the process. Combined with PVC brushes, it actively scrubs surface while pulling in debris, giving it a stronger presence in larger or more complex pools. Filtration is handled through a dual layer system, pairing a 180 micron basket for larger debris with a fine sponge for dust and sand. This setup allows to deal with everything from leaves to smaller particles in one cycle. In real use, the cleaning process feels thorough, especially when moving across different pool areas. Battery life is another major highlight. In eco mode, the C1 runs up to 180 minutes, covering pools as large as 150 square meters. Once the cycle is complete, it automatically perks near the edge, making retrieval simple without needing extra tools or effort. Control is handled through the application, where different cleaning modes and multiple paths can be selected depending on pool conditions. The ability to adjust modes adds flexibility, especially for pools with varying shapes or debris levels. Combined with its wall climbing and waterline cleaning capability, the C1 feels like a full coverage solution designed for users who want minimal manual work. Okay, that's all about this value for money Talosbo C1. In our case, when I'm here with Eva, I would use the Talosbo C1, and when I'm not here, she would just use that Talosbo S2, because both of these two robot vacuum pool cleaners delivers the best performance in their class. I have left the links to these products in the description box, so go ahead, check the links in the description box And yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.